So, we're going to talk about this clock I received from GearBest. It's a Meggear or Meggear, I don't know if the pronouncing is right. It's a nice watch, but it has some flaws. If you can check the second, all subdials are working, which is a good thing, but I will show you one moment what is about this that I don't like. First of all, in the pictures the watch was a very classy watch, but when you will receive it you will see that it's for teenagers maybe, because it has a big dial with a big magnifying glass, and as you can see it's not that styled anymore. Okay, I'm going to show you about the second subdial. All functions are working. Let me just stop this. As you can see, the seconds have stopped. Let me reset it. Okay. Look, this is what I was going to show you. The dial from seconds has a flaw that it will not stay put to 0 seconds. It goes a line somewhere under the 60. So this is a flaw. It's made with not such a great quality, but anyway, most of all, I will give this watch 4 stars out of 5 for his functions and 1 star in minus for his little malfunctions, as I told you about the seconds dial. All the rest, it's a great watch. It's a very heavy watch, a very manly watch. So that will be it. It has a leather band, so it's a good watch.